he's gotten louder. Now, the evidence clearly means either A, I have way too much time on my hands, or B, I'm gonna get my ass kicked. So, I really don't know what's gonna happen, but you can probably hear all this one right now. Hold on, listen. Damn, it's kind of scary, isn't it? Anyway, I just want to say that. Blacks in San Antonio. It's Roy Boy on the radio.